Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be going over some styling tips and tricks, just a couple of ideas to help you elevate your wardrobe and to keep in mind when you were buying new clothes or when you were sorting out your wardrobe and getting dressed in the morning. My number one styling tip when you were organizing your wardrobe or when you were creating a style for yourself is to make sure that you are preparing a capsule wardrobe and that you are keeping key capsule wardrobe items within your wardrobe. I have done an entire video on capsule wardrobe items and how to style them and things that I think you should include in your wardrobe, which will be linked down below. A capsule wardrobe is basically a wardrobe that includes key clothing items that fit both your style and your body, and they generally pair with everything that you own in your wardrobe. It basically includes clothing that isn't considered the more trendy clothing that is in fashion in this season or next season. Some key items I think is really important to keep within your wardrobe would be a simple black or white t-shirt, a nice pair of denim jeans, a pair of black or white denim jeans as well, a nice good pair of linen pants, a couple blazers in either blacks, whites or neutral colors, any sorts of long sleeve tops, some neutral or black coat, denim jackets, leather jackets, some type of little black dress, a pair of black or neutral heels, and a pair of sneakers. These items are great to keep in your wardrobe because all of these items together can go together and create great looking outfits, but they also can be paired with other things that are more in style and more in trend in this season. They're great to include in your wardrobe because you will always have an outfit to wear with them. They pair with anything very easily. And these are types of items that won't go out of style and you will be able to keep in your wardrobe for a very long time. I find that it's also important when you are choosing capsule wardrobe pieces to make sure that you stick to more neutral tones such as beiges, browns, blacks and whites. My second styling tip is to make sure that your clothes are fitted properly. A lot of the time we can go to the store and not every pair of pants that we pick up fit properly. They might be too tight around the legs or too loose around the waist. We might pick up a top that fits perfectly everywhere else, but the zipper and the back is a little bit too loose. Or you might have a dress that fits perfectly everywhere, but it's a little bit too loose around your waist, or it fits perfectly around your waist, but it's a little bit too loose around your arms and your upper body. A great way to solve this would be to find a good tailor or alterations person. This can be super easy to get fixed and to get done. Not every single person's body shape is the exact same. Some people look different in different clothings and some people fit different outfits better. My best recommendation when you are choosing clothing is to be choosing clothing that fits the widest point of that area that you were choosing. So for example, if you were trying to pick out a pair of jeans and the widest point for you would be your hips, I would recommend to make sure that you are buying a pair of jeans that perfectly fit your hip area, even if that means that they are loose around the waist, and then you take those pair of jeans to an alterations lady and get those to be tailored for you and to fit properly around your waist. The same can be done with dresses. If you find that dresses tend to be too tight around your waist or too loose around your waist, make sure that you are picking an outfit that fits in the other areas properly, but then you just get it tailored. So if it's too loose around your waist, make sure that it fits in your upper and lower body and then get your waist tailored, or make sure that it fits properly around your waist and then get your upper or lower body tailored depending on what you need. My third styling tip would be to make sure that you are finding your style. Everybody has different styles and different style personalities, and it is really easy to be confused about what your style personality is, and this can sometimes make you choose different styles. So one day you're wearing one style, the next you're wearing another style, or it could just mean that you're not really sticking with a style and you're just kind of throwing whatever on and mixing it and matching, and your outfits just aren't coordinating. A great way to find your style or your style personality would be to find any pictures of outfits or style looks on Instagram and Pinterest and just download all those photos of the outfits that you really like and the styles that you really like, and then put them together on like a Word document or a Canva document. And from that, you will be able to see roughly what your style is. You'll be able to tell whether you tend to go more towards flowy and florally dresses or whether you tend to go more towards the casual pair of jeans and a t-shirt. And when you do this, make sure that you are then choosing clothes and you are keeping clothes in your closet that fit with this personality that you have just created on your Canva document. When you are looking at your wardrobe, you want to make sure that you are picking out colors of clothing that fit with your wardrobe. You want to make sure that your wardrobe has some sort of color code to it. So if you find that your wardrobe tends to be more blues and greens and earth tones, then you want to make sure that you are choosing clothing that represents those colors and you aren't just adding in random colors of clothing that don't really fit with that, because sometimes that can throw off your style and sometimes that can throw off your wardrobe. So it's a really great idea to look at what your style is and to choose a style that fits you best. It can also be a great idea to print off this document, because then you have different ideas of how you can style and get dressed every day. My fourth styling tip would be to choose monochrome outfits. Monochrome outfits is basically where you wear the same color or same shade of clothing from head to toe. So this could be a light blue on top with a dark blue on the bottom, or a complete black look, or different shades of white. Having more of a monochrome outfit can be a great idea if you either don't really know what to wear or you're not quite sure what colors suit you. It's a great way to just throw on an outfit that's the complete same color, because that will always look great. It's also great because monochrome looks tend to elongate the figure and create more of a stretched out and elongated look, which can make you look taller or it can make you look slimmer. My fifth styling tip would be to make sure that you are dressing for your body shape. I have an entire body shape series video on my channel that you can go and watch if you would like to, but there are 5 main body types. There is the round body shape, the hourglass body shape, the rectangle body shape, the inverted triangle body shape, and the triangular body shape. Dressing for your body shape can be a great way to make sure that you are picking out clothing and items of clothing that best suit you and your body and best flatter you and your body. Sometimes you can find that you tend to be a mix of 2 body shapes, and sometimes you can find that your body shape changes over time depending on your age or your lifestyle at that moment. A great and easy way to figure out your body shape would be to take a photo of yourself. With this photo, if you then draw a line going from the widest point of your shoulders straight down, and then going from the widest point of your hips straight up, and if you outline your waistline, this can give you a rough idea of what your body shape is. If you find that your shoulders are wider than your hips, you would find that you have an inverted triangle body figure. If you find that your hips are wider than your shoulders, that would be more of a triangular body figure. If you find that your shoulders and hips are similar width and you have more of a defined waistline, you would be more of an hourglass figure. If you find that your stomach tends to be wider or a similar size to your shoulders and hips, that would be more of an apple body figure. And if you find that you have even shoulders and hips but you lack a defined waistline, then that would be more of a rectangular body figure. Dressing for your body figure can be a great way to make sure that you are enhancing your body figure and that you aren't swamping your figure. Tip number 6 is the 3-colored rule. The 3-color rule in styling and fashion is basically picking an outfit and only wearing 3 colors within that outfit. So that could be choosing a pair of blue denim jeans, a black long sleeve top, maybe a white jacket, and a white pair of shoes paired with a black handbag. This is a really easy way to make sure that all of your colors are coordinated and matching, and it's also a really easy way to make sure that you aren't going over the top with your outfit. Sometimes it can be really easy to accidentally add too much color to an outfit or too little color to an outfit, and sometimes that can be what's making your style look not as great as it could. My seventh and final tip for styling would be accessories. Accessories are a great way to elevate an outfit. My biggest recommendation when you are choosing accessories would be to choose 3 staple statement accessory pieces. Now this can either be a pair of earrings, it could be a necklace or a staple handbag, it could be a staple watch, bracelet, necklace, scarves, or even a pair of shoes. My biggest recommendation when you are choosing accessories is if you choose those 3 statement pieces, make sure that they are spread out across your body. So that could either mean that you have on a pair of fancy nice heels with a simple pair of earrings, a nice bold statement necklace, and that's all that you wear for accessories. Another option could be a nice big pair of earrings, a scarf, and a simple bracelet. Or you could wear a watch with a simple pair of earrings and some heels. Choosing just 3 statement accessories can be a great way to make sure that you aren't going over the top with accessories, but also adding accessories to your outfit is a great way to elevate your outfit and elevate your look. Jackets are a great idea to add to your outfit, and they can kind of act as an accessory. You can use a jacket to either make an outfit look more fancy or make an outfit look more casual. Adding something such as a leather jacket or a denim jacket to an outfit can make sure that that outfit looks more casual, and adding something such as a tailored coat or tailored blazer can make an outfit look more fancy. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any recommendations or comments or suggestions, please leave that down in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye!